ready to weave tales as rich and enduring as the ancient baobab tree, with characters that leap off the screen. Today, we're unlocking the power of Leonardo Ai to create not just one, but multiple consistent characters for your African folktales, ensuring your stories are visually as captivating as they are narratively. The secret lies in meticulous prompt crafting. Let's start by defining our first character. Think about their key traits. Are they a wise elder, a mischievous trickster, or a brave young adventurer? For our wise elder, let's describe their appearance. An elderly woman with kind eyes, wearing a traditional mudcloth robe adorned with intricate beadwork, and a head wrap will also add a hint of their personality, wise, compassionate, and carries a carved wooden staff. See how specific details like mudcloth robe and carved wooden staff bring her to life. Now, for our second character, the trickster. Let's make them a small, agile creature. A small, nimble monkey with mischievous eyes, wearing a brightly colored loincloth and carrying a sly grin will note their nature, playful, unpredictable, and always looking for an opportunity. To maintain consistency, we need to anchor them visually. The key is to reuse descriptive phrases for recurring elements if they wear a specific color head wrap or a particular type of garment. Mention it in each prompt for our elder. If we want her to appear in a different scene wearing the same head wrap, we simply re-include head wrap in the new prompt. Let's create a third character. A guardian spirit will describe them as tall and imposing, a benevolent giant. Cloaked in leafy vines, with luminous eyes, and adorned with carved bone amulets, their presence is protective and ancient. We can even introduce a younger character, perhaps a brave child, a brave young girl with determined eyes, wearing simple woven garments, and carrying a small, hand-carved wooden toy bird. To ensure consistency across all your characters, particularly for repeatable elements like clothing or a specific item, use the image generation settings. You can often save a generated image and use it as an image prompt weight. Subtly guiding the AI, don't be afraid to iterate and regenerate until the characters feel right. By being descriptive and consistent with your prompts, you can build a whole cast of believable characters that perfectly embody the spirit of timeless African folktales. Now, go forth and let your imagination soar.